I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon taste good. First, always select the freshest salmon available, looking for vibrant color and firm flesh. Before cooking, pat your salmon fillets thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a crispy skin. Then, season generously with a good pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any herbs you prefer like dill or parsley. Achieving the perfect texture is key. For a wonderfully crispy skin, pan-sear your salmon in a hot skillet with a little oil for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. If baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 12 to 15 minutes until it flakes easily. Grilling also works beautifully. Aim for 4 to 6 minutes per side over medium-high heat. Elevate your salmon with complementary flavors. A squeeze of fresh lemon, minced garlic, and a sprinkle of fresh dill or parsley always enhance its natural taste. Don't shy away from sauces. A creamy dill sauce or a tangy mustard glaze can transform your dish. Remember to cook salmon to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect doneness. Once cooked, let your salmon rest for a couple of minutes before serving. It pairs wonderfully with simple sides like roasted asparagus, steamed green beans, or a crisp green salad. Any leftovers can be flaked into a delicious salad or used in sandwiches for a quick lunch. And speaking of quality, if you're looking for socks that last, check out Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.